just almost there, and my score would be 1 million.
Whoa! Hey,
What?
try look. Asri Run, team competition. And the prize?
Golden Warrior with Rainbow Horse? That is the best and rarest character in Asri Run. It can give you 100-point bonus at every level.
Yes! We are making a team. Me, you, so we can win. Oh. I cannot be in your team, Polly.
What? Why?
Yeah, 'cause...
How come Ochi got sick?
Because... Huh? Huh? Ochi? I need to take care of Ochi until she recovered.
Come on. She can take care of herself, right? It seems like...
I'm sorry, Polly.
That's okay, Kiko. Bye.
Oh. Ochi, it's time to take medicine. Oh no, I need to get a new medicine for you. Huh?
Don't even think about it. I'm not gonna let you win.
Ha! So, who are your teammates? What? Nobody? The Golden Warrior must have fallen into my hand. You don't have any team, Polly. So, you are going to lose.
Aye. Right, boss?
Oh, poor Polly. You don't have any friends, do you?
I am Polly's team. Don't worry, Polly. We will win.
Are you serious? Yeah! Thank you, Kiko.
But I still need to take care of Ochi. So, it's okay if we play at my house, right?
Of course. Get ready to lose, okay? Show me if you can beat my score. Our score, right, Kiko?
Okay, bring it on.
What's the name of our team, huh?
What about Sea Warrior?
Agreed. Sea Warrior, let's go!
Come on, Ironfish. Let's crush them.
Aye, boss.
What's wrong, Ochi? Hold on, Ochi. What? Milk?
The score!
Oh, sleep, Ochi.
Can you get faster, huh? I need to win, Poo-Poos.
I'm trying, boss, but they are so good. It's almost your turn, boss. Get ready.
I need to do something. They cannot win. I am the winner. Poo-Poos,
Aye, boss.
I have an idea.
Okay, it's your turn now, Polly. I'll be right back. Where's Ochi? Ochi, where are you? I told you to sleep. Ochi!
What's wrong? I almost died.
Ochi is missing! Let's find her!
But the game?
Ochi! Come on, Polly. Help me find Ochi.
Okay.
Yeah! Great job, Poopus! I am going to win. And that game character will be mine.
Tint? Tire tracks? It seems like Ochi has been kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
It's possible, right? She just had her medicine. She can't be gone by herself.
Kiko, our score's going down.
But Ochi! We have to find Ochi first, Polly. Polly?
All right, let's split up. I will look this way.
Oh.
And you, that way.